Good morning. I am Mr. S. Prince Samuel, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Electronics and Instrumentation at SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Here I am going to discuss about the case study on embedded products. Embedded system generally refers to the combination of hardware and software. The hardware refers to the different items like sensors, wires, switches, relays, boards, etc. The software refers to the coding done in the embedded product. There are different kinds of programming languages like C, C++, Java, etc., Python, etc. There are n number of embedded products available in this modern world which are used day to day. But here I am going to discuss about the two products, that is nothing but the washing machine and the smart card system. In the olden days, as shown in the picture, the washing machine, there will be a drum like this, there will be a rotating handle. If the water is poured and the handle is rotated manually, the clothes gets flowed and then it is taken out, and the rinsing process is done manually. So there will be a lot of time wasted in the embedded system. Later comes the modern washers where there is a motor attached to the washing machine. The motor makes the drum to be rotated at different speeds and wash the clothes, and again the water is poured into the washing machine for rinsing, and then it is taken out and it is dried manually. But after the embedded system came into the picture, these things are made fully automated. This is by means of the embedded product development cycle. This is the entire cycle. The first is need conceptualization, analysis, design, development and testing, deployment, support, upgrades, retirement. There are different kinds of development model available. The model here which I have chosen is nothing but the linear/waterfall model. First, the entire thing is the need for the market to be found, need for the product to be found, and the most important another thing is upgrades, because in this modern world everything needs to be upgraded time to time, then only the product can sustain. This is nothing but the software development model, nothing but the planning, analysis, design, implementation, testing, maintenance. And let us go see the continuation of the washing machine. This washing machine is nothing but a fully automated washing machine. Here the entire thing what is going on is seen in the display, and inside this there will be a PCB which is programmed according to the user requirement. Using this kind of washing machine, the user can set the various parameters like temperature of the water, the rinsing time, the washing time, the drying time, the etc. There is a water flow rate, etc. There is also an inbuilt heater that after the washing process is over, the clothes can be taken out at a dry stage and there is no need to keep it outside for drying. The technologies have been updated very vast. This is a very, the product manufacturing cost is also at a moderate rate. So the customers, the users can buy the fully automated machine, and there can be the time that you spend in the washing the clothes can be saved. This washing machine is very advisable for all the elderly people, mainly because the elderly people cannot wash the clothes, or there is a risk in washing the clothes. If the water is poured down, there is a possibility that the elderly person will fall. So this kind of washing machine mainly helps the elderly people, etc. The entire thing, the user requirement is programmed up in the microcontroller by using the C or C++ language. This is an example of the embedded washing machine. The previous slides discuss about the ordinary washing machine, and this is nothing but the embedded washing machine. Next we discuss about the smart card system. Generally, there are different kinds of cards used by the public for different purposes like bank, ATM card, credit card, ration card, driving license card, health insurance card, customer purchase card, shopping card, etc. But the user finds it difficult to maintain such cards, and different pins to remember is very difficult. So there also comes the embedded system, which means the smart card system. The smart card system is nothing but a single card contains all the data. Exact any data can be stored in this smart card system. The chip shown in the picture can be stores the data. Using the smart card, the entire data can be saved according to the user requirement. This finds a lot of application and there is a wide name required by the public. So this kind of a single card contains the entire data. Here also, how the card is contains all the data, same thing. The program is written and it is stored in the chip. So the user finds it very difficult to have a single card for a multi-purpose thing. Likewise, there are different kinds of embedded products available in the market day to day life. So I request all the youngsters, even the school students are working on different Arduino based embedded projects, etc. Everything is in automation. There is a lot of labor problem currently available in the everywhere in the world. We could not find enough laborers for etc. different kinds of work. So everything needs to be automated. So I request everyone to work on embedded system and develop many embedded products, automation, etc. in the automobile field, in the textile field, etc. So the embedded is a vast field and it is a very interesting field. The embedded system can raise the economy of the country by exporting many products and collaborating with many foreign countries. Any embedded products can be developed. Thank you.